Ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce you to the XTB Trading Cup 2011 highlights. Every trader in 10 countries started with 10,000 euro on free accounts, DMAs, options and forex, to trade for 4 weeks with a single goal: earn the highest rate of return. All you had to do was to find a market driver, something that you expected to move market prices. Make a trade, turn those market movements to your advantage, and finally, take your profits. Remember that you take profits when you close your transactions, not when you open them. Market was very challenging from the very beginning. Silver prices, which rose by some 200% within 8 months, responding to new industrial applications and the Fed policy, tumbled sharply after the CME raised margin requirements on silver. Jake Welbo took advantage of those market movements, shorting silver, oil, euro-dollar and euro-yen. Even though the contest just started, he already made some 75,000 euro on those trades and took an early lead. A trend is your friend? Well, not exactly, contrarians say. And seeing silver prices declining from $48 to $33 per ounce, Vlodeka thought it might not be a bad idea to be a contrarian in this particular case. He shorted a significant amount of silver, and even he had to be staggered by 220,000 euro he made on those trades within just 24 hours. Unsurprisingly, he took a lead as well. Commodities benefited greatly from the global recovery, but eventually their high prices started to undermine economic prospects. This seems to be evident in United States and China these days. Foyastara and Jake Welbo took advantage of flows from commodities to the dollar and shorted substantial amounts of silver. They both made some handsome profits on those trades. Investors became so accustomed to the monetary accommodation that as soon as weaker macroeconomic data was released, the market started speculating about a further monetary expansion in the United States. That caused some wrangling on the market when we had a sell-off in commodities on one hand and expectations of monetary expansion on the other. Maslach made some 150,000 euro using a difficult range trading strategy under those unfavorable conditions. The key move, however, took place in the final phase of the contest. Investment banks made some bullish remarks about oil, and rising oil prices pulled other commodities along. Rudinka left nothing to chance, going long silver as much as she could, using both CFDs and options. She made more than 350,000 euro on those trades, and she took a lead in the contest. Rising commodity prices gave chances for other contestants to close the gap as well. Foyastara and Vlodeka desperately chased Rudinka, going long silver as well. However, one needs to keep in mind that they used only CFDs and didn't use options, even though they made substantial profits on those trades. That was not enough to claim the final victory. Rudinka wins the contest. She made some 670,000 euro from initial deposit of 30,000 euro within just 4 weeks. Ladies and gentlemen, hopefully now you know how to win 1 million euro. Thank you very much.